Hi and welcome back into my kitchen. Today we're going to make ramen. And not any kind of ramen, we're going to make spicy miso ramen. So I'm going to tell you the ingredients for one person. You will need 1 pack of ramen noodles. We will start with the ingredients for the soup. First you will need some sesame oil for frying, approximately 2 to 3 centimeters of fresh ginger, chopped, thinly chopped, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, also chopped. So if you can find Doubanjiang sauce, red chili bean sauce or paste, you will be needing this for frying, approximately 2 teaspoons. If not, you can also use chili paste or chilies that you can add at the end. For the soup itself, you will need 500 milliliters of hot water, 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of chicken broth, and 1 tablespoon of miso. For the finishing touch, you will need some pepper and some chili powder. This is also the moment, if you don't have any chili paste or doubanjiang, to put in the chilies. As for the toppings, the most simple and traditional ones are nori, negi, spring onions, and goma or sesame seeds. But if you'd like to, you can also add coriander and eggs or meat. You're free to choose. First, we will place the hot water in a pot and dissolve the miso, the bouillon cube, the sugar and the sake in it. So now it's time to fry. We start by heating up the oil and we fry first the garlic and the ginger, and then we add the doubanjiang sauce or chili paste if you have it. Now it's time to mix the stir fry with our soup. Then we bring our water to a boil and add the ramen and cook it like it states on your package, or just check whenever you think it's done. Now we add the pepper and the chili, not all of it. We give it a stir and we transfer it into our ramen bowl. Since we only made 1 portion, we can directly pour it into our bowl. Now it's time to add the toppings. So we add some nori, spring onions, sesame seeds, and it's ready. Now you have to eat quite fast, otherwise the noodles get too big and swell up and eat all the soup and you don't have any soup left, which usually happens to me. So let's eat. Itadakimasu. Well, in case you realize that you don't have enough salt and you would like to add some salt, you can always add some miso after. And that's it for today. Thanks again for watching and see you again next week. Bye!